Hi there, it's Chris here and welcome to this AdSight Pro review. Now for those of you out there who are looking to get better results and spend a lot less money on your Facebook ads by targeting hidden data that you are not going to get with your standard Facebook targeting, this product is 100% for you. Today we're going to take a deep dive into AdSight Pro and see exactly how it works, get an over-the-shoulder look so you know exactly what to expect. As well as that, I've gotten you some really cool bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with AdSight Pro so you get the absolute most out of it. Those bonuses coming exclusively from me, exclusive to Self-Made Newbie if you go through that link in the description. As well as that, if you stick around, I've gotten you some exclusive discount codes as well, so if you do decide to purchase at the end of this video, you also have those to go away with, so you just get way more bang for a lot less buck. Before we get into everything though, it'd really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe and hit that little bell notification so you can stay updated on new products coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also, if at any point you want to skip ahead during this video and check out AdSight Pro on your own, make sure you go through the link in the description. That way you'll go first through to my exclusive bonus page, which looks like this. You've got legal stuff at the top as well as my contact details in case you have any extra questions. And you can see what all the bonuses are all about. Now the way my bonus page works, it is integrated with the official AdSight Pro vendor sales page. So what that means is if you go through to it and click on any of these green buttons, that will lock in all of these bonuses before then sending you off to the AdSight Pro vendor page where you can then purchase it. If you do purchase it via that way, you're gonna get a big bundle. You're gonna get AdSight Pro as well as all my exclusive bonuses sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. The first one, Facebook ads. If you're new to Facebook ads and you need some more fundamental knowledge, I threw this product in there. This is the best Facebook ads tuition product you're gonna get. A couple of things that this goes into is learn how to produce 10 times better results with Facebook traffic generation, learn how to advertise just the right way and avoid common newbie mistakes where you just throw in money at, testing in the wrong way. And it just goes into all the fundamental knowledge you need to run successful ads. The next bonus I've gotten for you while we're on the topic of Facebook is Facebook Groups Unleashed. Now I've been doing a lot of work in Facebook groups for the last couple of years because they are also targeted. So if you want to not just rely on Facebook ads and you want to go on offense, get some real targeted traffic, this teaches you how to get into Facebook groups, how to work Facebook groups, how to offer value, how to get in touch with the right people, the right audience, and then pushing them onto your landing pages, your blogs, your sites. And really, for me, it's probably one of, if not the best ways to generating targeted free traffic. Bonus 3 I've gotten for you is called Simple Social Content, and this goes into the content side. If you've just started using Facebook or any social media for that matter to produce content, this is going to teach you the nuances of each platform and how to write content that sells, that gives audiences an emotional reaction so that they're going to your products, they're checking out what you're all about. This also includes some gold nuggets on the kind of words you should use. So whether it's free content or whether you're putting an ad out or paid content, this is going to help you. Paid content that you're going to use with AdSight Pro is essentially just content that you're giving a boost to. So knowing the right words to use, knowing how to write good copy that sells, really vital, really crucial, and this goes into that as well. The fourth bonus I've gotten for you is called Modern Instagram Marketing. Now you'll notice when you go into Facebook ads, there are options to also market on Instagram under the same ads manager platform. There are differences in marketing and paying for ads to Instagram and Facebook. This is going to teach you exclusively all about Instagram marketing and not just the paid type, but how to find the right influencers, how to collaborate with people, the kinds of messages you should send, and really takes a lot of the guesswork out of using Instagram as a business, really crossing over that bridge from using Instagram as a consumer to using it, making it work for you essentially. 99% of people use Instagram wrong. They just see what people are doing, posting selfies and hashtags, and they think that's the way to do it. It's not. This goes into Instagram, everything you need to know if you want to advertise on Instagram as well as use AdSight Pro on Facebook. The fifth bonus I've gotten for you is the vendor has hooked me up with a bunch of vendor bonuses that I can give to you. We'll go through them really quick. So the first bonus is called Social Media Toolkit, and this is an all-in-one toolkit for getting social media clients if you're in that agency space. Bonus number 2 is called White Label Rights to Social Pop. So scarcity software that can 10x your profits, leads, and get you 300% more traffic using an exact strategy that big companies use. Bonus number 3 is White Label Rights Consulting in Minutes. So this includes local consultant, professional tools, and resource page. So 6-figure offline consultant releases his new instant office consulting system for demolishing your competition. So if you're in that consulting space, as well as the agency space, there's a lot of crossover. This is gonna help you out a lot. Bonus number 4, White Label, 50 high quality video backgrounds. So you can use this in your ads or in your normal content. There's some really good looking images here of all different kinds of places. Exclusive bonus number 5 is resale rights to WordPress Cool Live Chat plugin, which is a plugin that will allow you to add an enticing, attractive live chat to your websites and blogs. Live chat is massive these days. Bonus number 6 is graphics black box, 267 brand new and original graphics for your websites. Again, you can use that to good effect in your ads. Bonus 7, reseller rights to WordPress Slideshow Master plugin, a powerful plugin that allows you to instantly create eye-catching, conversion-increasing slideshows. A ton of value there, 7 vendor bonuses. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Again, link in the description that will take you through to my bonus page. You click on any of these green buttons that will lock in all the bonuses I just talked about. It's like 12 bonuses before launching you off to the Ad Pro vendor sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through this page in your free time so we're not here all day. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt which looks like this, as it is a JVZoo product. And as I said, under the green button will be AdSight Pro, and under the blue button will be all those bonuses I just mentioned. So a ton of value. I will say this though, keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is a launch week special. So when this runs down to 0, all the discounts I just mentioned and all those bonuses will no longer be available. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the least price. Now, without further ado, let's get into this demo and see exactly what you can expect.
First, log into the AdSight Pro software, then select how you want to find your audiences. You can either search by interests or behaviors, and then once you've made a selection, choose which language you want to run your searches in and click Next. Now we're inside the app, and we want to find some audiences for our Facebook advertising campaign. The key to Facebook advertising is targeting. Now, targeting is who you show your ads to. If your target audience has a genuine interest in what you advertise to them, then they're more likely to click through or engage with your ads. Now, if Facebook sees that you're getting a high click-through rate, then this leads to a lower ad cost and your ads being seen by more people. For this example, let's say we're using advertising to sell our fitness training product. If we go over to Facebook and find our interests the traditional way, you'll see here that every one of these audiences is very general and would result in poor targeting. Now, we would likely be competing against a wide range of other competitors, all bidding for the same general terms. It's going to be costly, and there is only a low chance we'll be able to generate a return on our investment. Now, if we go over to AdSight Pro and type in our keyword, as you can see, we have a large list of different audiences we can choose from. Simply select the audiences that will best fit and then paste them into the Facebook Ad Manager. Then start advertising. Now, another example might be that we want to advertise a video software of ours. We go over to Facebook and then do a search in the Facebook Ads Manager. As you can see, once again, we're only shown a very limited amount of keywords to choose from. Now, if we go over to the AdSight Pro software, we're presented with a wide range of different audiences that we can now target. Finally, let's say we're working with a local business and they want to bring more specialty coffee lovers into their cafe. If we were to use Facebook's targeting options, we'd have a hard time figuring out who in our local area has a genuine interest in coffee. Now, with AdSight Pro, this becomes easy. As you can see, AdSight Pro finds a wide range of profitable keywords that you can then advertise to over Facebook. It takes just seconds with AdSight Pro's special search engine to identify opportunities and find the perfect audience for the products you sell or your clients' products or services. You can follow the same process I've shown you here for audience behaviors. So there you have it. Targeting with AdSight Pro makes it easier than ever to find your audiences over Facebook and advertise to them. Use the premium data you find inside of AdSight Pro to lower your ad cost, drive more clicks to your offers, and save a whole lot of money in the process.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. Now, again, if you go through the link in the description, in my bonus page, you can find out on all the different pricing options. So the front end is only $37, and I will say that you do only need this front end in order to get access to all the bonuses and those discounts. So don't think you need all these upsells to get those bonuses. For $37, you're getting everything. You can find out what's involved here. The front end is basically everything you just saw in the demo. There's a one-time offer for $67, which is starting, and it allows you to manage unlimited ad accounts, campaigns, and ad sets. You can go through and see the differences there. There will be an upsell number 2, which is agency. And one big thing here is it will allow you to use AdSight in different languages. And software scans your unlimited ad accounts and informs you in advance if any of your ads are going to be stopped by Facebook in the future. One-time offer number 3 is Canvas software. So it's Facebook Images Ads Pack and Video Ads Pack and a commercial license. So if you don't want to make your own creative, you might want to check that out. One-time offer number 4 is reseller. So it's a reseller license. So if you want to sell ad sites on your own, you can get this license so you can earn 100% of the commissions. So a ton of value on offer here, especially when you take into consideration all those bonuses. You know, you're looking at over $1,000 worth of value. If you have any questions, my email is available on the bonus page, but also feel free to hit me up in the comments, on my social media, in my email, you know, however you want. I do reply to absolutely everybody. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy AdSight Pro. Hope you love those bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.